On this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can quickly and easily isolate colors in any version of Premiere Pro. So this is a very simple and quick tutorial. So having your clip, just drag your clip to the timeline. So this is your clip here. Go to the effects tab and then video effects, obsolete, and then look for an effect that is called leave color. Right here. So in case you can't see it, just come here and then just write leave. So automatically it will search and then you'll see it. So drag and drop on your clip. So decide on which color you want to leave, and then the rest will be in black and white. So there are two options. You can either work with the hue, or even you can just work with the black and white. So I'll show you both. So the first method, let's work with the black and white. So on my example, we'll decide to leave the yellow with this sign just to, yes, so we'll drag. Color to leave is yellow, just make sure it's here. So you'll use this pin just to pick up that color right there, and then the first part is written amount to the color. So this is where now you adjust the wheel, you adjust the wheel, you adjust the wheel. You can see that transformation. So this is the first method where everything now becomes black and white except the color that you decide to leave. So this is a very trendy look. It's very awesome, especially when you want to pop and make a statement within your footage. So this is the way to go. You can see that. So another style is where now you're playing around with the hue. You can see that. So this one will just exaggerate it even more just by adjusting on the hue. But also you can decide to smooth a bit, maybe just have some color coming in. Maybe if you don't want it to look that black and white, you can just have some color coming in. But you see the way that the yellow is popping out and really shining. Or even you can just maintain everything else to be black and white except to what you choose. Please make sure to subscribe, and see you on the next video for such quick tips and tutorials.